probably a pretty safe bet to assume that somewhere in your house there is something that is made up of plastic, whether it's a Ziploc bag, a pop bottle, or a toothbrush. According to plasticoceans.org, we are producing 300 million tons of plastic every year, and of that amount, 50% is for one-time single use. Our extreme use of plastic is having extremely detrimental effects on the environment. In this speech, I will explain what climate change is, what the causes of climate change are, and ways to help lower your influence on climate change. So, what is climate change? According to nasa.gov, climate change is the usual weather of a place. This place can have different trends depending on the seasons. For example, in Iowa, we have hot, humid summers while also having cold, dry winters. This is very different than Texas that has hot, dry summers and fairly mild, warm winters. So, when we talk about climate change, it simply means a change in the usual weather patterns for a certain place. You can also look at the bigger picture and talk about Earth's climate change. NASA.gov states that since the 1880s, the Earth has risen 2 degrees Fahrenheit. While this may seem like a benign amount, it can have major effects on plants, animals, and even us. Although many things can cause climate change, scientists mostly agree that humans have had the largest effect on it, specifically the expansion of the greenhouse effect. According to environment.gov.au, the greenhouse effect is a natural occurrence. In fact, it's the reason why the Earth is suitable for human life. But due to the increased amount of greenhouse gases being let out due to humans, like burning fossil fuels and land clearing, the Earth is having a hard time keeping up. Humans are also suffocating the ocean. Todd Woody, in an article for NationalGeographic.com, stated that the ocean absorbs up to a third of humanity's carbon dioxide emissions and 90% of excess heat generated by greenhouse gases. But because we dump over 8 million tons of plastic into the ocean a year, according to plasticoceans.org, we're declining the ability for the ocean to absorb these gases. Now, how can you lessen your impact? Renee Chow at columbia.edu has some easy steps for you to take. First is your food intake. Try to stay low on the food chain. This means eating mostly fruits, veggies, and grains. Livestock production accounts for 14.5% of man-made greenhouse emissions. But buying organic or buying local foods at your local farmer's market could also help cut back. Composting is another major way to cut back your emissions. You can also cut back by what clothes you wear. Fast fashion accounts for lots of clothes that end up in dumps per year. Instead, you should try shopping at thrift stores or other consignment shops. Other things to try to cut back on are one-time use plastic. Getting a nice reusable water bottle can help cut out plastic bottles that you use. Using reusable grocery bags helps cut out plastic bags being used. And using beeswax cloth wraps instead of Ziploc bags also helps cut down on plastic. Climate change affects us all, and I hope this speech gave you some insight on what it is, what causes it, and ways to help your influence on it. There are many websites you can explore that give you more ways to help lower your impact. If we don't take our effects on the environment seriously, we may see irreversible damage in the future.